Alright, July 19th, 2020, Tyler, he's here, 2026. We're going to do a bonus as I am north of Sheldon, or nearly 10 miles south of Ladysmith, but also south and east of Conrath. Going to have a northbound on the way that met the southbound M340 that was led by 3006. Gonna have a GEVO again because I can see him coming now. See what we got as we lean back and get him. Here we go. We're gonna have gate drop as I'm off of Market Road at 344.38. Q train. Tier 4 demo! Surviving Tier 4 demo! 3125! They're surviving 2040! 3125 was previously GACX 2036! The 125 was also an MEI rebuild and repaint. This one's Q199. No DPU on this one, but here's the last of 199. 40-foot well. DDX 746 656. What a catch indeed for our bonus. So redesigned and repainted 3125. That was previously GECX 2036. And the surviving Tier 4 demo humpback of GECX 2040. It's gonna do it for a bonus, and we'll do it here north of Sheldon. Tyler Hayes out.